Good morning people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and it is Saturday around 12 in the afternoon and finally painting शुरू हो गया है मेरे हॉल रूम में. Otherwise kitchen, bathroom, everything's like done, but bathroom is just like hall room is just got started and it's all getting painted. As you can see, it's all getting painted. Yeah, but the room is like in a mess, so obviously it is going to take time to get settled, but yes, finally painting shuru ho gaya hai and it is soon going to look like really very nice. Another update, yesterday we went to do the visarjan thing, as in हम लोग विसर्जन करने गए थे. लक्ष्मी जी का पूजा हुआ था तो सारा सामान हमें विसर्जन करना था. So go check that vlog, go check that video first and then I will continue my vlog. There goes my dad. He's actually taken everything, but I guess due to COVID restrictions we were not allowed to like immerse everything, as in flowers and the banana leaves and everything. हम लोगों ने सब विसर्जन कर दिया कल. कोविड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के कारण ऑब्वियसली लाइक यू नो वी कुडंट इमर्स एवरीथिंग इन द गंगा वाटर, सो देयर वाज अ सेपरेट प्लेस टू इमर्स द रेस्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर्स एंड जो लीव्स एंड अदर चीज़ थे. तो वो सब विसर्जन अच्छे से हो गया एंड हम लोग का मतलब पूजा भी अच्छे से हो गया. दैट वाज लाइक वेरी गुड. एंड यहाँ पे इफ़ यू कैन सी एक कोट हो गया है पेंटिंग का. देयर इज़ ऑल्सो वन मोर कोट लेफ्ट. सो लेट्स सी, आई थिंक आज तक हॉल रूम कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए बिकॉज किचन एंड बाथरूम दे आर ऑलरेडी डन. So let's see what's the next thing that we are going to do. Please stay tuned today because after eating lunch we will be going for our Sangeet practice. So yeah, I'll show you a little glimpse of it because I want to keep it as a surprise. Song वॉन्ग कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी. Yes, जब मम्मी practice कर रही होगी थोड़ा सा video clip लेके I'll show it to you. But our Sangeet practice is actually starting from today. So stay tuned. So yeah, now we are moving ahead to the dance class. And we'll be like going for our Sangeet practice as I told you. Just a second, there's a lot of noise. So yeah, after a very long time my mom is also visible. Mummy सबको hi बोलो.
Hi.
और कुछ नहीं बोलना है.
Hello everyone.
So now we are going ahead for my Sangeet practice and I'll just show you a glimpse of it. Obviously I won't show you the songs. So come along with us and have fun. Bye. Like done with our dance practice. And mom, आज का कैसा था practice?
Very nice. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Nervous?
Little bit.
Actually, this
practice a lot.
Yes. Actually, the steps are a little new for her. Basically, she does Zumba. She doesn't like, you know, dances in such Indian songs. So obviously, yeah, she's having a like it's her first day, obviously. So she has to practice a lot. आज रात को तो मम्मी बहुत practice करना है. हाँ, because tomorrow again we've got practice. We've got practice tomorrow for couple dance where my dad will also be like joining us for the practice. So all set, mummy?
All set.
All set. I'm not going to reveal like anything else what is going to come up in my vlogs because I want it to be a surprise for you as well. So stay tuned and keep watching our vlogs. Right now I think I will be like going out with my dad for some shopping. So stay tuned and enjoy with us. And here's my dad. Papa.
Hi.
So my dad and I were actually going to Quest for some shopping. Papa, say hi to everyone.
Hi all.
So he's busy driving. So let us reach Quest and then I'll meet you again. This is how Quest looks like. Quest Mall is actually a very big mall here in Calcutta, the ones who don't know. And you get all sorts of branded items here. So yeah, if you're in Calcutta, you should visit to Quest once when you come to Calcutta. All set?
All set.
We'll be going to Lifestyle right now. So yeah. Come to the male section because my father needs a few shirts for himself. So let's see if he likes anything. Then we'll be buying it from here only. So I'll show you around.
वो वगैरह ये सब कुछ नहीं
This really good collection for Diwali. Just see, I'll show you one of them. This kurta is from Manevar brand and they've got like really good collection for Diwali and as well as Shadi season. Whenever you visit Quest, make sure that you wear your masks for the entire way on your shopping because these people have this protocol that they do not allow anyone without mask. Even if you're roaming around in the mall, they caught hold of you and they'll catch hold of you and then they'll say that you'll have to wear your mask and all. So this is one thing which is very good here. We are done with our Quest work. Now we are moving ahead with the other shops where we have to walk and the other shopping places wherever we have like walk left with us. So come along with us. Look at this. Suddenly we were passing by and the entire road has got filled with these flies. This is so bad.
This usually happens when the weather starts to change.
We are having so much of issues for finding out a parking place for parking the car. I'll just show you how much crowded is Newmarket for no reason, but it's crowded. Look at the crowd. People are actually overcrowding the place here. They're not going inside the shops, rather they're standing outside. It is so much of mehnat. Thanks to my papa who could actually, park the car in such a, such a risky situation. He's finally parked the car and we've got a parking. A humble request to all the customers, please go inside the shop and then shop for yourselves rather than standing just outside and overcrowding the place for no reason. We actually face a lot of problems in finding out parking and getting the car parked. Look how overcrowded the place is. People are just standing on the roads, not going inside the shops. So we went into this men's showroom to find a tuxedo shirt and a tuxedo bow for my dad because he's wearing a tuxedo set for one of my marriage events. So yeah, so he's come here to select a particular type of a shirt that goes with his tuxedo set.
ये कैसे लगा दोनों आप देख लीजिए ये अलग तरीके से लगाया है ये अलग तरीके से लगा हुआ है
No, sleeves का लें.
ना अब देखिए इसका लुक
White being a very light color, the shop did not allow my dad to try the white shirt. Instead of that, he's tried the black color shirt for himself. At the same time, he's also taken his tuxedo bow. So yeah, in Quest, we did not get a shop that actually, could show us a tuxedo shirt, and therefore we came to this showroom, and therefore my dad has actually found himself a white tuxedo shirt and as well as tuxedo bows for himself. So yeah, one part of his work is done. Let's see what all we are left with shopping. Now see, there are so many shirts my father looked in for, and he's liked one particular shirt, so he's just talking to the salesman regarding the size and everything. And here finally we are done with the shopping. Now we are moving ahead, and like we'll just go and sit inside the car because it's like very crowded here. So yeah, I'll meet you later. Finally we are out of this place, New Market. It was so overcrowded. Again, I'm actually requesting all the customers who are visiting New Market, please make sure that you move inside the shops and shop for yourselves rather than just loitering around outside, because you're not benefiting anyone. Neither are you benefiting the shopkeepers by doing this, and neither are you benefiting us as the normal public, because we face a lot of problem in finding parking and at the same time moving on such crowded roads. Now back home, and after returning back home, I've actually seen that all the walls have got beautifully painted. Let me just turn the camera and show you how my walls are looking now. This entire portion has got painted now. Obviously we are left with like putting up the curtains. We'll be doing that, and then a little bit work more is left there. But yeah, this is like my mandir area. So this is also got painted in a proper manner. We are almost done with the painting work. Just the house just needs to be now settled properly. Thank you so much for growing my YouTube family, and we've achieved 100 subscribers, and the credit goes entirely to you guys. So thank you so much for supporting, subscribing, liking, commenting on my videos and sharing it amongst your families. Keep doing that, continue with it, and do support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you back again with the fresh vlog. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.